Approval on apps like Cleo and Current usually depends on your linked bank data, income consistency, and how stable your financial activity looks to their automated systems. By the end of this, you'll know how each app decides approval, what makes one easier to get into, and the exact factors that usually lead to instant rejection. Start with Cleo. Cleo connects to your bank account and uses transaction history to estimate your income patterns and spending behavior. Approval is often tied to whether your account shows regular deposits and consistent activity over time. Now look at Current. Current is more of a full banking app, so approval usually includes identity verification plus a more traditional account setup process. That makes it feel more structured compared to cash advance style apps. Next, compare entry requirements. Cleo can feel easier to access at the start because it mainly relies on bank connection data instead of full banking onboarding. Current usually requires more steps up front, including account setup and verification, before full features unlock. Now, check income stability. Both apps prefer users with steady deposits, especially recurring income like payroll or consistent transfers. Irregular income can reduce approval odds or limit available features on both platforms. Next, look at bank connection quality. If your bank doesn't share complete transaction data, both apps can struggle to evaluate your profile accurately. That can lead to lower approval chances or restricted access. Now check account age. New bank accounts often have less transaction history, which makes approval harder for both Cleo and Current. Older accounts with consistent activity are easier for both systems to evaluate. Next, consider verification status. Unverified identity details can block approval immediately on Current and limit access on Cleo.ai. Now look at usage behavior. Accounts that show stable spending patterns and avoid frequent overdrafts usually get better approval outcomes. Next, compare overall ease. Cleo is generally easier to get started with because it relies more on data connection than full banking setup. Current is more structured, so it can feel stricter during onboarding but offers more complete banking features once approved. Neither app guarantees approval, and both rely on automated systems instead of manual review. To sum it up, Cleo is usually easier to access quickly, while Current requires more verification but offers a more traditional banking setup. Next, make sure your bank account has steady deposits and clean transaction history before applying to improve approval chances. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more app comparisons, approval breakdowns, and financial app guide style.